In this video, I will show you how to find crypto addresses on Coinbase. So in order to do this, you need to click on transfer from the bottom right from the home tab. So let's go and click on transfer in here, then click on receive crypto. And now it will load. And in here you have all the cryptocurrencies that are listed on Coinbase. And if you want a wallet address for a specific currency, then you just need to go ahead and click on that currency. So let's say we want to receive Bitcoin. Then we're going to click on Bitcoin in here. And now we need to select a network. So this is really important because if you are transferring crypto, you need to always match the network with wallet 1 and wallet 2. So let's say that I'm transferring Bitcoin, then I need to select the BTC network in here, that's Bitcoin, and now I will also get my wallet address for Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network. So when I'm sending my crypto from another wallet, then I need to be sure that I have the Bitcoin network selected as well on that wallet. Otherwise, your crypto might get lost in the transfer. So right now you can just copy this to your clipboard, and this is basically your crypto wallet address. And if you go back, for example, and you choose another cryptocurrency, let's say Solana, then you will get your Solana wallet address. So this way you can find all the crypto addresses that you want. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. Then I'll see you in the next one.